Welcome to Grumpy Man's Reviews. In today's video, we are going to show you how to disconnect and connect a washing machine. Before we start, if you find the video useful, a like would be appreciated and please subscribe to watch more reviews. So the first thing you need to do when you uninstall a washing machine, you need to turn the water tap off. Once you've turned the tap off, you need to remove the washing machine from its place. Now you will need to remove the hose from the cold water feed. It's a good idea to have a bucket or something underneath that will collect the water that will leak out from the hose. We have this little tub at the bottom here. Now you need to remove the waste pipe. Ours is on this connector type of thing, so we are going to remove it from there. Yours may be in a white tube. It's a cut out tube and the pipe just drops in. You need to remove it out of that. Again, make sure you have a tub or a bucket underneath. Okay, so we've removed the cold water pipe from this little cutout. All we need to do now is remove the drain hose. Once we've removed the drain hose, we're going to tape the drain hose and the cold water pipe on top of the washing machine, and then that is ready to be sent off for recycling. Every washing machine comes with a new cold water pipe and it is recommended to use a new one. Okay, let's get on with connecting the new washing machine now. So I have an LG washing machine here. I bought this from AO.com in January 2023 sales for £899. I will be doing a full review on this, so make sure you're subscribed for that. So AO wanted £20 to connect this washing machine on. So as we know how to connect the washing machine, it's simple. We thought we will do a video on how to uninstall and install a washing machine, which should hopefully help some of you guys out there as well. So it doesn't matter which washing machine you have. Here in the UK, they fit on exactly the same way. So you have a waste pipe at the back of the washing machine. You have some transit bolts. It's very important to remove the transit bolts. If you leave the transit bolts on and you turn your washing machine on, you will end up breaking your drum. And that is not covered under warranty because they tell you to remove the bolts. This LG washing machine does come with some really good instructions. So this LG washing machine has 3 transit bolts. So we have one here, one at the bottom there, and one on the left side at the bottom. Yours may have 4 or 5. My Hotpoint one had 4. We have a cold feed at the back here. So we have a water hose here. The one that's 90 degrees, that will go onto the washing machine, and the other part will go onto the cold water feed. This is an elbow bracket. This is for securing your drain hose. If you use the other type where the pipe drops in, as I mentioned before, we will not be needing this. It depends which model you go for. As this is a higher end LG model, they have included all the parts I will need. They have even included a spanner to remove the transit bolts. 4 caps here, but I will only need 3 as this has 3 transit bolts. They have also included a tie strip. That's to hold your drain hose should you need it. In our case, we won't need that. They have also included 2 anti-slip sheets. So if your washing machine moves when it's on a spin cycle, you could use these 2 to put under the front 2 feet, and hopefully that should stop your washing machine from moving. You need to remove the full transit bolt, including the white plastic part. It's a good idea to keep hold of the transit bolts. If you're going to sell your machine or move your house, you will need these again. Once you've removed the transit bolt, we will place these caps on. So one end would go there and the other end will go in there. Once you have removed the transit bolts, place the caps on. Then while you're here, you may as well put the cold water pipe on and you hand tighten these. Do not use pliers. Now before taking the washing machine to its place where you're going to install it, remove any tape or any stickers that are on the washing machine. Next, plug your new washing machine in. You could turn the power on now. Now in our case, we need to feed the cold water pipe and the waste pipe through the little cutout there. Now hand tighten the cold water pipe onto the tap. Remember, don't over tighten it. Now you need to put the waste pipe onto, in our case, this rib system, or if you have that white pipe cut out, you drop it in there. Some people do add a Jubilee clip here. We are not going to because we have a snug fit here. Make sure that's on nice and secure. Now turn the cold water feed back on. So looking at the spirit level, the bubble is bang on center, so we know the machine is in its right position. We had to adjust one of the foot on the left side. The last thing to do, we need to run an empty drum cycle with a bit of detergent just to clean the drum out and make sure that the pipes are connected properly, there's no leakage. LG recommend run the cotton cycle, so we'll do that now. After that we could start washing our clothes. So we need to select whether it's daily or special. So daily, and automatically it's selected cotton, 1400 spin, and it's saying 40 degrees. I'll leave everything as it is. All I press is the play button. Notice how this hasn't displayed a time. It's because this washing machine weighs clothes, and in this case it's an empty drum. It's going to weigh it first and then it will give us the time remaining. Make sure you subscribe to watch my full review on this washing machine. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section below. I hope this video was useful to someone. If it was, leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.